Welcome to Techstination. Joining us is Caleb Slavin, Senior Product Manager at Samsung. Thanks for joining us, Caleb.
Thanks for having me, Fred.
Well, you've got a brand new flagship phone announced this week that is exciting a lot of people, and I'm going to let you tell us about it. It's the Galaxy Z Fold 2.
Yeah, that's right. We just unveiled the Z Fold 2 5G. This is a phone it's really for those who enjoy being on the true cutting edge of technology. It's got a 6.2-inch smartphone-sized display on the front of it, and then you can unfold it like a book to a 7.6-inch tablet-sized display. So it's a two-in-one style foldable device that's really impressive.
Basically, there's three screens, it sounds like.
Yeah, so there's two screens. There's a front screen, and then you unfold it to a really large, immersive 7.6-inch display on the inside of it.
Because I guess it's actually one screen that's just foldable on the inside?
That's right. So we use a new material. We call it ultra-thin glass on the interior screen. It's glass that's so thin it becomes flexible, and this allows us to create a foldable display. So when you open it, it really is just like using one complete display. So you really have to see it to experience it.
Well, there's a lot more to it than just the appearance and the foldability. So give us some of the specs on what this phone can do.
Sure. So it's got a great camera experience, as you would expect for our flagship devices. You've got 5 different cameras on this device. There's 3 on the back, an ultra-wide, a wide, and a zoom lens. They're great for low-light photography and for capturing videos. And then on the front of the phone and on the inside of the phone, there are front-facing selfie cameras, so you can get a photo at basically any angle. And because of the way we've designed the hinge, you can set up the phone so it's self-standing. And this allows you to use it like a tripod, or use our new auto framing feature to get videos or photos that are cropped the way that you'd like them to be for the best possible outcome.
Well, tell us what Samsung envisions the user experience is going to be like with this phone. People can do things in a different way, I suppose.
Yeah, it's really your go-to mobile device for whatever you might need to do. So when it's folded, it's great for responding to text messages or just making phone calls and accessing information on the go. And then when you're ready to kind of kick back and enjoy watching a movie or video chatting, you can unfold it for more of a tablet-like experience. It gives you the flexibility to use it however you need to, and yet you can fit it right in your pocket.
And part of the story here is pricing. This is I guess not just on the higher end, but at the highest end. Tell me about
it. It's true. It is our top of the line device. It's priced at $19.99. We do have some great trade-in offers on Samsung.com if you've got a phone you'd like to trade in. But it's really we consider it a luxury device, and like I said, it's for those who want to be on the cutting edge of technology, and it'll deliver a really exciting experience for those who want to get into the new world of foldable smartphones.
And there's an edition called the Tom Brown edition. What's special about that?
Yeah, so we've partnered with the fashion brand Tom Brown to create a bundle that includes a number of different Samsung products, and they're all designed in the Tom Brown signature style. So you get the phone itself in a Tom Brown finish, as well as our Galaxy Buds Live, our Galaxy Watch 3, and a couple different case options. It's a limited edition bundle that you can get on Samsung.com. It'll be available later this month.
And I'm going to gulp and ask you how much.
That one is $32.99.
$32.99. Well, tell us, what you feel the market is like for a phone like this at that kind of pricing.
Yeah, for the Tom Brown version in particular, that's really designed as an ultra exclusive bundle for the consumer who, they want the combination of the most cutting edge technology along with a great designer brand to just really stand out and be unique. For the Fold itself, the Fold 2 itself, this is a device for the consumer who They want the latest and greatest technology, and they want to experience this new world of foldable phones. Like I said, it's the top of our portfolio. It's the most advanced device, smartphone device that we offer, but we do have a full range and lineup of phones. So certainly options for those who might prefer, more budget-friendly options, such as our $499 A51 5G device, for example.
Well, the owners of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G are going to have access to what you call the Galaxy Z Premier service. Tell us what that's all about, what the benefits are.
Yeah, so when you purchase the Z Fold 5G or any of our Galaxy Z smartphones, you get access to the Z Premier service. This gives you access to hands-on service and technical support with the device. You can really easily video chat with a service technician. It also includes a one-time screen replacement at a reduced price. And you get access to a number of special benefits through our partners. So, for example, you can enjoy a Michelin-starred meal, or you can get access to various golf clubs to enjoy a round of golf. And that's all part of the Z Premier service that's included when you purchase the device.
And is that a subscription thing that continues for a certain amount of time, or how does it work?
Yeah, so it's just part of the device when you include it. It is a service that we add on. Some of the aspects of it do have a limited time duration, like the screen replacement, and some of the additional services are good for 1 year from the purchase.
And the Michelin star prepared meal is included with that? Is this the first phone that gives you something to eat?
That's right. Yeah, that might be true. So that is included with it. We've partnered with a number of different providers to give our Z customers some exclusive experiences, and that's just one example. There's a good number of other experiences included to suit a variety of tastes.
It sounds like a lot of fun. Have you had a chance to use the phone much yet yourself?
Yeah, I have. It's got a really great feel to it. It's really exciting to be able to unfold it and enjoy the big display on the phone, and it's really a sight to behold when you actually get to experience this device for the first time.
I guess one question that consumers might have would be, okay, well, how cumbersome is this to hold and to carry around with you compared with, say, one of the Note phones or one of the S phones?
Yeah, so the screen size on it, like I said, on the front, it's 6.2 inches, and that's the same size as our Galaxy S20 device. So when it's when it's folded, it's really a kind of a smartphone, traditional smartphone style. It's a bit taller and a bit more narrow when it's folded, but that means it's really easy to say, respond to a text message with one hand because your thumb can easily reach all the way across the device. Of course, since it is folded, it is a bit thicker than your traditional phone, but when you unfold it, it's got a really nice thin feel to it that's easy to hold.
What about the weight for people who'd be concerned about that?
So it'll be slightly heavier, but I think you'll find that it's perfectly manageable for everyday use.
Is this the kind of phone with that huge screen when you open it up that gamers are going to gravitate to if they can scrape the money together?
It would be a great device for gaming, with that big display, and even with 5G technology, you can enjoy new cloud gaming services. For example, Microsoft Xbox Game Pass Ultimate is one that we've partnered with to make available on the device. And with that service, you can actually stream over 100 Xbox games from the cloud, and it'll be great performance on 5G and look great on the large display as well. So it's a really good setup for gaming.
Not to mention the potential for doing some work on a screen like that with so many people working from home, working remotely today, even video conferencing. I suppose the experience would be enhanced here.
Yeah, those are all great examples of what you can do with the device. For those who like to multitask, you have the option to use up to 3 applications simultaneously. So you can have a video call going and then have Microsoft Word open to be taking notes, and then have a calculator up for any type of quick calculations you might need to do. So it's really easy to open up multiple applications and be super productive with this
device. I assume this uses the software Samsung has to allow you to use it, basically tie it in with a Windows computer?
Yep. So that's called our Link to Windows feature, and that allows you to sync up your device with your Windows desktop. That way you can make and receive calls from your desktop. You can access your favorite photos or even your favorite apps on your desktop. So that allows you to really easily integrate your devices and not have to juggle multiple devices throughout the
Now,
day.
as of today, people can pre-order the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. When will they get their hands on it?
Yep. So as you said, pre-orders are starting now, and it'll be available on September 18th.
And the best site to go to order is where?
You can go to Samsung.com for all the information on the device. You can pre-order it there or check with your preferred wireless carrier.
Great stuff. Caleb Slavin, thank you for taking the time with us.
Yep. Thanks so much.
Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations, and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.